What digger do you have there?
It's a Bruder one.
It's a Bruder one.
The Bruder.
There we go.
Yes, it's the one that doesn't work, is it?
Is someone working with it?
Yes. They
And,
stopped.
hey?
They stopped. Now they're going to work.
Okay. What are you using there?
A little bucket.
Little bucket.
Yes.
What do you have on the bucket that's making the bucket move?
I'm in a boom.
A what?
I'm in a boom.
An arm and a boom. Where's the arm? Show me where's the arm. Show me which one's the arm. Where's the boom? There we go.
And here's the cylinders.
The cylinders, yes, they help to move the arms and the boom up and down.
No, this one's gonna move.
Okay. Wait. Falling over.
That's why I think I dig a hole.
Is it?
It's a huge hole.
Yes. You're digging a hole next to the huge hole that the diggers dug the other day.
Yes. And something down here.
Yes, it's a string. Bolt, sit.
And somebody
Sit.
else.
Sit. Sit. There we go. Good boy.
Yes, sometimes probably a good boy. It's just a kid.
What else does your digger have?
Sometimes big buckets.
It's got a big bucket in the front. Can you show me how it works? So up and down. And how do you dig with it? How do you scoop up the sand?
And you can just dump it too.
Show me how you dig with the sand. Show me with the sand how it works. I want to see it scooping with the big bucket.
This is another big bucket.
No, that's a small bucket.
Yes, here's the big one.
Yes, that's a
But
big
it's
bucket.
like a rectangle.
Yes, it is. And the small bucket is like what shape?
I'm not and us is a rectangle.
A rectangle.
Yes, and there's a turning thing, and there's a moving thing to go like this.
Yes, so it can move to the left and to the right.
Like this. This one like this.
And what is that? What else does it have? What is these ones?
Stabilizer.
Those are stabilizers.
Yes,
Why you use the stabilizers for?
that's right. That's my dug over there.
Is it?
Yes, that's where I dug.
Okay.
And that's a load too, and then. But first, then finish digging with. That's what they got. There's another pile with sand.
I can see you digging. Are you also going to plant trees in those holes you're digging?
You go branch it. That's why there's some big holes for
Yes.
plants.
The big digger that was here the other day was digging these big holes. And tomorrow we are going to plant some trees.
Yes,
Or
but
saplings.
But we need coconut seeds.
No, we're not going to do coconut seeds. I'm not sure which plants we're actually going to plant tomorrow. We'll have a look and see.
I really died.
Tomorrow morning we'll know which ones we're going to plant, because tomorrow morning we'll plant.
There's a
Okay?
high coconut tree behind you.
Yes, there's loads of high coconut trees behind me.
There's one.
Yes, there's loads of them.
I thought you seen them.
Okay, you done digging?
Almost. But this is a bit more digging.
I think you can say goodbye, so we're going to go home now.
First,
You have to put the stabilizers up.
first, I need them down. That's why you can dig again.
Okay.
That's why we have to make a load. How much you there? That's why we have to dump it to that place.
Okay. Because we're going to say goodbye to the friends now, and we'll chat to them later again.
But first, I need to load. And then I'm
Great.
finished. Almost finished today.
Let's put the bucket back, put the stabilizers up,
And now look.
and then Bolt's in the way. Now we're using the front loader, and Bolt is wanting to eat the sand. Bolt, come on. Bolt. Wait. Your leash is caught on your leg.
Ta-da!
So where are you going to go with it now?
To go down.
Oh, the bucket fell down. Oh no.
It's okay. We can take another load.
Okay. So leave that load where it's fallen down and
Dump it here. Dump it here.
dumping it. There we go.
Okay. Now we need to go get another load. Okay. Now this is the
And Bolt's head is in the video too.
yes.
He also wants to go digging, I think.
But it don't have hands.
No, puppies use their paws to dig. They don't use hands to dig.
They have face to do.
They dig with their paws.
Oh.
Yes. Come on. What are you doing? Is there sand stuck in there now?
But first, let's see.
Is there sand stuck in the levers? Huh?
No, the food. Let's have it. But first, scoop it up.
Scoop it up. Make sure that it's locked in so that it doesn't fall off again.
Show me this back bucket. And that is a kite.
Yes, it's a bird that is a smaller version of an eagle. It's called a kite. There's loads of them over here. There's a big drain at the back where they getting all snacks and rest from.
He's going to jump. This is the spot to jump.
Is that the spot to dump? There we go. And Bolt is inspecting to see whether you are dumping it on the right spot.
Here we are at the site.
Bolt!
Now we're back at the site.
Where's the Bolt? There's sand again stuck in there.
Again.
Again.
Now it can work. Let's try a bit more. But first,
Go, Bolt. Go on.
has to be tight.
Who was it? There's Liam's sister. That's why he's barking. Okay, enough. He's barking for Marika. Enough. Sit down. Come on, sit down. Okay, shush now. Moenie asseblief. Okay, Liam. We're going to go now because Bolt wants to go home. He sees Marika. So let's say goodbye to the friends.
But first, let's finish loading.
Not first, just say goodbye and then you can finish loading afterwards too.
Bye-bye.
And
Comment down below, you know. And do.
and subscribe.
And subscribe.
Bye.
Bye-bye.